Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Regions Bank Secure Access step by step clearly. To log into Regions Bank, start by opening your preferred internet browser. In the address bar, type in www.regions.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see options for personal, business, and mortgage accounts. Select the appropriate option based on your account type. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID. Type your user ID into the designated field. After entering your user ID, click on the Continue button. You will now be taken to a new page asking for your password. Carefully enter your password in the provided space. If you wish to stay logged in for quicker access in the future, check the Remember Me option. After entering your password, click the Login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your user ID or password, look for the Forgot User ID or Password link. Click on that link and follow the instructions to recover your login information. Once you are logged in, you can manage your banking activities securely. Always ensure you log out after accessing your account for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.